Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you how to hide your photos and media stuff from your timeline on Facebook. It's pretty easy and need few clicks. First of all, open your Facebook. I'm using fake ID, as you can see that's not my real ID. So first tap on the three lines on the upper right corner. After that you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on settings and privacy. This will open the tab of settings. You have to click on that. Then you have to scroll down a little bit to find the option of profile and tagging under the heading of audience and visibility. Tap on that. Here you see the heading of tagging, and in this also gives the option of who can see your posts. Tap on that. This will give you option as who you want your timeline photos to see, whether they are friends or friends of friends. I'll click on more and it will give me options of only me or whether I want some specific friends to see my timeline posts. Here I click on only me, and now all the photos and media stuff is hidden from everyone except me. No one can see my photos now. If I want that some of my friends can see my photos, then I'll tap on that. Other option is to allow all of my friends to see my photos except few of them. These options can give you the freedom to do whatever you want with your photos without anyone interfering in your privacy. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe if it did.